So hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So finally I brought this product on Amazon for just 150 rupees, and this gadget is specially for vloggers and who wanted to take self portraits or who wanted to take group photos and create content on Instagram and YouTube. This gadget is specially for them guys, and you can use this gadget for taking tabletop videos, and you can extend this rod for making vlogs, and you can also use this as a tripod for getting the stable videos. So in this video I will be giving you the unboxing and a quick review of this product. So I'm your Saho signing in, and welcome back to my channel. So without wasting any more time, so let's unbox this package. So this is the package we got from the Amazon right now. So first let me unbox this box, and here you can see we have another box inside this, and we have one more card inside this. I think here you can see, congratulations, you have been up to 1000 rupees cashback on this product if you have just read 5 star. Never do these kind of things for money guys, and because of this who wants to buy this product, they will be not at all getting the correct clarity about this 5-star rating. So let's keep this aside and let's see. Here you can see selfie stick R1S is the model number of the selfie stick, and here you can see the images. This is the light on the top of the selfie stick, and this is how it looks when you shift this into tripod mode. And here it comes in 4 colors: black, pink, white and dark green. And this is how the selfie stick looks, and here you have the specifications. You can pause this and check it out. So here we have another images, and this is how the selfie stick looks. So let's unbox this. Here we have the selfie stick first. Let's keep this aside, and we have two more. We got this light and a micro USB to USB cable. Let's keep it aside, and this is the chargeable light that you can use for this selfie stick. So this is the selfie stick. Here you can see that, and this is made up of hard plastic, and the build quality was so cool and so impressive. And you can also use this in a portrait mode and also in landscape. Here you can see, and here we have one more thing. This is how you can extend the tripod, right? And here we have, from here you need to drag it out, and it will be acting as a selfie stick and a long length tripod. As you can see, this is how you can set this tripod for making the videos. You can see that. Let's fix this phone and see. So here you can see that how it looks, and let us make this into a tripod. From down you need to stretch these legs into 3 sides and make this as a tripod. Okay, this is how we can use. And the another way to use is to make this into a landscape mode for recording of videos. And you can also add this light for this video. Here you can see, this is how you can fix this. And if you want to make vlogs, or if anyone wants to make content in the nights or in the low light situations, this light is very useful. Here you can see the back side. You can switch on this light. Here you can see the light was switched on. And in the upcoming clips I will be sharing you all the details of this product. So this is how the product looked after the setup, and the build quality of this product was so impressive. In this price point you will be getting this hard plastic, and when you hold this in your hand you will get some premium feeling. So with this you can take both portrait and landscape videos. As you can see, this is the portrait mode and this is landscape. So on the top you can see a light here. So from here we can switch on. So this is how it looks after switching on this light on the top, and this will be useful in the dark situations or in the night if you are shooting a video. This will be a very useful light for making your videos look some more brighter. And in this product, the special thing is we will be having this Bluetooth. So first let me switch on this here. So here you can see that the light was blinking, right? And you can also shoot tabletop videos using this selfie stick. So first you need to stretch the index of this selfie stick and you can place it like this and adjust this as per your requirement. I'm setting this. So now this light is not required for me, so I'm keeping it aside. And let us attach this phone. Keep it there. So this is how it look after this setup. And if you want to make these talkative videos, you can use this stand for making this content. And if you want to make live streams, this will be helping you a lot. And if you want to shoot unboxing videos, as you can see in this video, you will be getting this top angle view in this selfie stick. So these are the uses of this selfie stick and on the tabletop. So you can also use this for as a tripod by stretching these legs, and you can place it anywhere and you can shoot videos as you can see in this video. You can place somewhere and you can use this Bluetooth for creating these kind of videos. You can place it somewhere and you can also shoot travel videos as you can see in this video. So these are the advantages of using this selfie stick as a tripod. So you can also extend this rod as you can see in this video. So this is how it looks after extending the rod. So this is very useful for vloggers who wanted to create content, and if you wanted to shoot a wide angle videos or if you are making the travel content videos, this will be helping you a lot for creating that kind of content. And here you can see the preview of the video. So you can also use this selfie stick for making the vlogs. As you can see, some of the vloggers do get a wider view in their videos. As you can see how my video is looking, and the stability also you can observe. So you can also use this as a gimbal for taking the stable shots. As you can see in this video, we can take these stable shots using this selfie stick, and you will be getting a better stabilization than what we hold with your hand. You will be getting, as you can see, this is the preview of the video how we got this. So that's all for the today's videos, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely suggesting you to buy this product because this will be coming under 150 rupees. If you have coupon codes or you will be having super coins in your Flipkart, you will be getting it less than 150 rupees, right? And you can use it in a multiple ways, guys, as you can see in the review of this product, and this cost less than a biryani packet. So buy this and keep it in your collection for creating such beautiful content. If you are a content creator, this product is specially for you guys. So that's all for today. Let's meet in another video, guys. Until then, bye bye now, signing off.